Hey, so if Google Keep is not loading, yeah, like it stays stuck on a blank screen, keeps spinning, or won't open your notes, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step in 2026. First, make sure your internet is working properly. I mean, Google Keep needs a stable connection to load your notes. Next, yeah, close and reopen Google Keep or refresh the page. I mean, this fixes most temporary loading issues. Now, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. I mean, wrong account can make it look like nothing is loading. Yeah, corrupted cache can stop Google Keep from loading. Clearing cache often fixes this problem. Now, an outdated app version can cause loading errors. Make sure Google Keep is fully updated. Yeah, battery saver or data saver can block background loading. Turn them off temporarily. Now, switch devices or browsers. I mean, sometimes the issue is device specific. Yeah, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Google Keep. I mean, this resets corrupted app files completely. If it still won't load, the problem might be on Google's side. I mean, server downtime can affect Keep globally. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Keep not loading issues. Most of the time, it's internet, cache, or account problems. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.